Well, Dina, including yesterday, jurors have deliberated for close to 6 hours now, and they had several questions for the judge this morning about missing hotel receipts and apparently confusing language in the jury instructions. This after yesterday's explosive closing arguments. R. Kelly's chief attorney in closing arguments asking jurors to find him not guilty. There are people out there willing to lie about their age, Jennifer Bonjean argues. We've seen it in this case, and Tracy is one of them. Why? There's a lot of incentives for doing so. Bonjean and fellow defense attorneys chipping away at the credibility of key witnesses, 4 women testifying about what happened over 20 years ago, how they were allegedly victimized at the hands of Kelly, who's accused of repeatedly videotaping those illicit encounters. But Assistant U.S. Attorney Janice Appentang in prosecution rebuttal firing back. Robert Kelly is guilty of recording himself sexually abusing Jane when she was 14 years old over and over and over again. Co-defendant Milton Brown facing 1 count of conspiracy to receive child pornography. Former Kelly business manager Daryl McDavid facing 2 counts of receiving child pornography with a conspiracy and separate obstruction charge. His lawyer arguing that there are too many holes in the government's case.
The rebuttal could not take away the lies told by Chuck Freeman and Lisa Van Allen. And what the rebuttal actually did was put before the jury quotations from one of the witnesses for the defense, Ronald Winters, that said the video didn't have a minor on it.
But lawyers for the government not buying that argument when it comes to Kelly's co-defendants. Daryl McDavid, Milton Brown, they are guilty of concealing, covering up, and collecting those videos of Robert Kelly abusing Jane. They did it to protect their boss. They did it to protect their own pockets. Now, it took federal jurors in Kelly's New York trial about 9 hours to come back with a guilty verdict in a case that is similar in many ways to Kelly's trial here in Chicago. At the Dirksen Federal Building, Julian Cruz, WGN News.